Super Bowl. Also, they have a name. It's Kamaran Humaska. Let me introduce you then. First, Remo, the Alpha, the leader of the Dolphins, also Peter Ivan, welcome back. But in this side, the handsome Ioma, Wonder Woman, Lady Tanya, welcome back. Be ready. Oh, DJ, the baby dolphin is coming back. Lucy is 1 year old. Her birthday was before 2 days. Yes, and she wants to approve again. She's strong like her brother and sister. She's following them. Kids, always follow your family. You will be the best among the rest. Lucy is here. Fly. Alright. Look how helpful they are. Chioma is going to help. عم بيساعد يرجع الحلقة. Dolphins are so friendly mammals. So we have always to take care of them. Always help them. Always protect their home. دائما لازم نحميهم نسميهم نحمي منازلهم. Nemo have a message to all the kids. Do not throw any plastic things, your toys in the water. Remember, this is a home for marine life. So, we will give it to trainer Ivan. Yes, sir. Oh, Ivan! Thank you, Tanya. Second time, unlucky. Nemo, dancing solo! Hey, Nemo, help trainer Ivan. Raise up the stage, push him. Bravo! أصدقائي الآن العرض راح يكون بالماء. Now the action and the presentation will be down there in the water. Throwing Mahal to the body of Dolphins. Push! Wow, fantastic. You know,